How to download DailyMotion video fast and easy. Hello and welcome back. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started step by step. So what you can do is you can head over to their website, which is DailyMotion.com, and open it up. And once you are here, you can explore to the page and find the specific video that you would like to download. So for example, let's say this is the video you would like to download. You can just go ahead and play the video, or you can directly find an option of share right here beside them and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be finding a share the video pop up on your screen. What you need to do is find this option for copy link and go ahead and copy it up. After you copy the link, you may close this up and you can head over to a new tab right here on your screen. And once you reach over here, what you need to do is type in DailyMotion Video Downloader and hit enter, and you'll be finding this one right here for DailyMotion Video Downloader. Find it up, open it up, this particular link for save the video, and you just need to go ahead and paste the link that you copied earlier here and click on start. After you do so, it should redirect you. So wait for this page to load up here first, and there it will give you option. So what you need to do is select the format. So you can select the format for your video, select the quality and everything. After that, click on this option called start download directly, and once you do so, the video should start downloading and it will be directly saved onto your device, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to download the video from DailyMotion, you may just head over and then follow up these steps in order to do so. So therefore, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.